Hello friends, welcome to CodeChamp. As we know that very well that how to make the website, how to do the editing in the pages, everything I have told you in the last classes. If you want, you can go with the link and you can check these all classes which are already I have shared to you. Now today I'm going to tell you when you will complete a website and how to connect your domain name and how to make it public. So for this, right now your website is on Wix. If anybody will go on Wix and he will search your website, then he can search easily, or if you will share the link to anybody, then he can search your website properly. But now if I want to set it on the Google, for this we have to connect the domain name. Domain name is just like a particular address of your website by which you can show it publicly. So for this, as you can see here, it is when you are making a website, it will show here automatically that code-champ1.com is available. My means if I want to create my domain name, then it's give me suggestion, then you can connect this domain name also. So just simply click here, connect your domain name. It's already shown there. After that, one more window will open. Let it be open. When the window will open, then you can see here some options are here. What domain do you want to connect the code champ? If you have already any, then you can just mention here your one. Right now I have my one, so I'm just going to mention it here. Like I'm just typing here Rati codechamp.com. Okay, it is showing .com, .online, .shop, .blog, .design, tech. As per your choice, you can connect with it. .com for commercial use, .online that is online shopping. Same for shop. Blog if you are going to create any blog, and design if you're going to create a design for the public so that they can give you order, then we will use this one. And technical, this is just for the technical version by which you can create the apps and websites also. And after that, just click here on Let's Go option. Can I use domain already have? It is showing yes. Once you have upgraded the premium plan, you can connect a domain you want somewhere else. It means that if you don't want to purchase Wix domain and you have already purchased your domain from anywhere else, then you have to make it upgrade. Means you should use your premium version, then you can use it here. If you don't want to use it here, then you can directly purchase here from it. So I'm not going to use my other one, as I showed you that you can use your one also, but now I just connect with the Wix, because if I'm making my website on Wix, then definitely I can buy it from here. It's a very minimum range. It's not so high. So I'm taking this goatjam.1. If I'm clicking here, it will change. If I'm clicking here, it will change. Means by clicking it, you can choose any. Right now, I'm choosing only .com. And then click here on get it. When you will click here on the get it option, then one more window will open. From here, you can CodeChamp +1 premium plan, get the domain name from free premium plan, that it will showing that for first year, 14 days money back guarantee. If you don't like, you can refund it also. And after that, click on the continue option. When you will click here on continue, it will show you the options that select your business. You can take it as 1800. For grow your business, you can take 900, 500, 250. All these are the free premium plan. Just choose any one free premium plan, and then you can compare it also if you want. Otherwise, you can just simply choose any free plan. Suppose I'm taking this one. This is 5 collaborate yearly or annually or monthly with GST, because in India GST is there. If you are from USA and somewhere else, then no GST should be there. So I'm taking it monthly, and after that continue to check out. If I will click here, then it will ask about my card and all these things. Then I have to mention my card details. My invoice will be there, and if I will click here, then it is showing 600 monthly, subtotal 600. My India, I am in India, so GST is 18%. So I have to pay 700 rupees for a month. So this domain name will work for a month. But it's my suggestion that if you are purchasing a domain name, then you have to purchase at least for 1 year. Okay, like this, you can connect a domain name here. If you want to add here payment method, then you can also do here. Just click on this add element option. In this add element option, you can mention here events, booking, store, blog. I hope everything is clear, but now I'm going to tell you payment. After connecting domain name, your website is ready. And now I want to make your payment also. You can make before purchasing domain also. I'm taking this button, pay now. So this pay now button will be add here. When the button will be add, then I have to create a link for it. So wherever you want to just click, I'm just clicking here, manage payment method. Then as usual, one dashboard will open where we should attach our payment. Here, Paytm, PayPal means if you are out of India, you can use PayPal. If you are in India, you can use Paytm. I'm in India, so I'm choosing this and making it confirm. So I can't connect PayPal, RupeePay, PayU India, and AirPay. All these options are here. Manual payment, if you want, then you can click here on this connect option. Here you will get cash payment, offline payment, cash on delivery. I'm choosing manual payment. Then you can choose your manual payment also. Means if you want that anybody will give you offline and something like this, then you can choose this. Otherwise, you can go with other options like PayPal you can connect, RupeePay, PayU India. PayU India is for the Indian one. So we will click on this connect option by which PayU India. By this PayU India, you can get the payment online. Here, you have to attach your merchant key and your salt key. After that, it will be connect. And then it means merchant key and salt key. It means, see, it is showing the currency you use for website must be the same currency in your PayU India. Okay, so I'm using Indian one. So I'm just using here merchant key like rupees. You can type here. And merchant salt, you can mention your UPI ID, which one you want. After that, PayU India, you will choose this and just click on the connect option, then it will connect automatically. Remember, first of all, you have to upgrade it. When you will upgrade it one time, then it will connect very easily. So that's why firstly I show you how to purchase the domain name, and after that I'm showing you how to make the payment. You can add the button in the starting, but you should add here later after purchasing domain. So that's why will be easy for you. This is just the setting of it. Email notification icon, then I can make it on. Link to terms and condition. If anybody will payment you, the email option, with the help of email option, the message will go to you. Okay. Here you can see animation and effect. Like I want that it will be moved, it will be turned, like it will come like this, expand. So it will come again and again, again and again. Like sometimes you see now that button is shuffling, button is moving, it is shaying. So you can use like this also. Many animations are here. You can choose any, spin, bounce, whatever you want, you can choose here. So I just want to make here flip. If you want, you can use the customize option also, but I don't want. So it's proper. You can change the design, you can change the layout, all these options I told you already, the button options and all. Like this, you can complete your website. I hope it's completely clear for you that how to add the domain name, how to add the payment method, and how you can add it publicly. Again, I'm telling you, whenever you will do any change, don't forget to publish it. After publishing it, it will properly visible to you. Now just copy it. Let me copy, Control A, Control C. And if I'm clicking on view site, then you can see the preview of my website. So friends, in this way, you can create your website. See, it's looking really real. This is the video which I have used. Join us button I have used. Pay now button as I have used. See, right now it is showing because I have used the animation. Now everything is here. If you will click on About Us, then About Us page will come as we have done the change little bit yesterday. As I hope you remember, in the last class I add this video and I add this background which is moving at the back side. And I also told you how to use the video mask, and I also told you how to attach the video. Like this, rest pages I gave you that you should do yourself. And still friends, if you have any doubt, any confusion, feel free to call me. My contact number is there. And also you can leave your comment. Definitely I will give the answer of your comment. So like this, you can create your website. I hope this Wix website making is completely clear for you. Hope so. You just like my video. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Now see you in the next class with new session. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.